Hey guys, welcome back to the King's class and welcome to a new series under Logarithm. And in this series, we're looking at this similar question under Logarithm. Now, welcome back. It has been a while. I actually uploaded videos on YouTube, video specific. So this will be the last question I'll be looking at under Logarithm for Logarithm series. Now, this question says, if 2 log x base y plus 2 log y base x equals to 5, then show that log x base y is either what? 1 or 2. 1 over 2 or 2. Now, for that case, what I'm going to do here is simple. I'm giving log x base y, I'm giving log y base x. And to show that log x base y is that or that. Now, what I'm here to do is now to say that what? Convert this to resemble this using one of the laws of logarithm, and that is to say that what? Solution, I have what? 2 log x base y plus 2 log y base x equals to 5. Now at this point, let's change the base by saying what? 2 log x base y plus, now this is the same thing as saying what? 2 times log x base y. So that becomes what? 1 over log x base y, all equals to 5. Alright? So it's multiplying this logarithm. I'm going to change this one's base by saying what? 1 over this logarithm. It inverts it. So now what do I now see? Let a be equals to what? Log x base y. Alright? If a equals log x base y, this is my new equation star. I can call it like that. If a equals to this, what do I have? I have what? 2a plus what? 2 over a. Alright? All equals to 5. Multiply all 2 by 8 to cancel the LCM becomes what? 2a squared plus 2 equals to 5a. Now at this point, what do I have? This now becomes what? 2a squared minus 5a plus 2 equals to 0. Now factorizing this, what do I have? What I'm going to have is going to be what? This becomes 4 minus 5. That's minus 4 minus 1. Now becomes what? 2a squared minus 4a minus a plus 2 equals to 0. Now, grouping, what do I have? This becomes what? 2a into, this remains a minus 2. Then, what's common here? Minus 1 into a minus 2, all equals to 0. Now, at this point, I'll now have 2a minus 1 into a minus 2 equals to 0. It now implies that what? My a becomes what? 1 over 2 of my a equals to 2 when I equate both of them to 0. Now, recall, I said that what? Let a be equals to what? Log x base y. So, since a equals to log x base y, what will I now have finally? Log x base y is equals to what? 1 over 2, or log x base y equals to 2. And at this point, my proof is what? It's complete. So that's going to be all for this particular video. See you in my next class.